Hi everyone! Today we are having a drawing session.
Mom, can you give me scissors?
What?
Scissors.
No, Hasi. We are drawing. Today we are drawing. We are not cutting today.
Because I don't like this.
Maybe later, okay? So, Scott is having the iPad and is going to make a picture of a cat with the number 8, and Brian is going to do freestyle drawing. Okay? Are you ready, guys?
This is yours. I don't need it. Come on.
Are you ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Set. You can give him the pen. I gave him the pen. Ready? Set. Go! Brian, come on. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. And you, Ellen? You are moving?
Look what I drawed.
Yeah?
Look what I drawed.
Wow, that looks great. Great waves.
Circle. And down is a circle.
Very good.
I need another color. So can you give me another color?
Okay, I'll give you 4 colors, Color.
What's happening?
Yeah.
I'm looking.
There you go. Some more colors.
Yeah.
Are you coming to me?
Put those colors back, Mama. Put those colors back.
Okay. I'll put them back later, okay?
Oh, I hate those colors. Yeah. drawing. That's how you have to make. A rainbow.
Wow, that's a great drawing, Bear.
Now we need that. It's blue color by myself.
Mm-hmm.
Forgot the eyes, man.
Maybe they're still coming. Pause.
I don't have any paws. I don't have any hands. Hands are too easy to do, that's why.
You almost have it, has he?
Yeah.
And pause on the feet.
Pause. Sleep. Mama,
Mm-hmm.
can you please look at this?
I saw, it's very beautiful.
The colors. No, I just we need the nose. Man, we need a nose.
Scott, I made it very slow for you so you can follow.
We already made it fast.
See? A triangle? Did you make a triangle? Did you make a triangle? Scott, did you make a triangle?
No, not yet. I came this week.
Great tidying up, Brian.
Oh, neat.
There you go. What is coming? What's still coming? Ah.
Done.
There you go. Now show your own picture, Baba. Yeah?
We need to pop up.
Show your own picture to the camera.
Can I make another one?
Yeah. Can you give it to me, honey?
I have to make a monster truck.
So, and that's
Mama.
Scott's picture of the cat.
Mama.
I find it pretty good for his first try.
What I did.
It's okay, just leave it for the now.
Mama, I have to make.
Scott,
I have to make a monster truck.
it's okay, not now.
Yeah.
So I find Scott's picture actually pretty good. The ears are there, the mouth, the nose, the arms, the tail, the paws. I am very positively surprised. We're gonna show it to Scott's dad right now. And this is Brian's freestyle drawing. Good job, Brian. And yeah, thank you for watching. Guys, what do you usually say?
Press the bell.
Yes.
No, below button.
Yeah. Hit the subscribe button below. Yeah.
Don't forget to share.
Yeah. And
And
Okay, thank you so much, everyone.